Hi, I'm Vijay and I hope you and your family members are doing okay within this tough time of the pandemic situation. If you are a business analyst or a product manager, when we start our day, our thoughts are just all over the places. What is the requirement? What is the scope? What are the timelines? Who are the stakeholders? And many more things. If there is any framework which help us to align our thoughts and put these things into different bucket, that would be really amazing. I like one framework which is really simple to use and help my day-to-day activities very easily. That is 5 W's of the product management. And yes, subscription to the channel will be really amazing and really motivating for all of our team. So let's see what are the 5 W's of the product management. The first W is why. Why aspect of this framework is related to value and the purpose of the requirement. So you ask this question, whatever answers you get, you just put it into why bucket of this framework, and that defines your typically value or the purpose. Second W is what. What is related to mostly scope of the requirement. So what are the things that you are trying to cover as part of this particular requirement, and that becomes second W of the framework. Third W is when. Timeline is the most important aspect when you are working in a software development project, and third W, when, helps us in this aspect. So you ask the question when we need this requirement to be done, and whatever answers you are getting, whatever dates and timelines you are getting, you put those things into this third W bucket. So it may be your production date, release date, development end date, or whatever timeline and a roadmap aspect, you put it into when bucket or the third W of the framework. Fourth W of the framework is who. People and the stakeholders are most important part of our requirement or product management. So you ask this question, who are the people or who are the teams that help us to deliver this value to the end user. Whatever people and roles and responsibilities you get, you just map in this fourth W of the framework and you get your stakeholders. Last but not least, the fifth W of the product management will be where. Where is this requirement is going into the realization? Where is your team? Maybe geographical aspect or different environments where you are trying to develop this requirement. Maybe a local environment or UAT environment, or all the aspects of the places you can put it into fifth W of the product management. So you found 5 different aspects. Value is nothing but why. Scope is nothing but what. Stakeholders or who are the people and teams is nothing but who. What are the places and teams and environments is nothing but the where. And a fifth and foremost is what are the timelines aspect is when. So these are the 5 W's. One additional aspect, how, is 1H. How aspect is mostly related to solutioning of your requirement. You found out what and why, but what and why you are trying to realize with a specific solution. That aspect is why. Most of the time your technical architect or technical lead is helping you to find out the H part or how part of the requirement. This framework helps us to structure my thoughts whenever I work on the requirement. If you are covering all these aspects, definitely your development team will also find it really useful because most of the parts are already covered into the requirement. Let me know how do you like this framework. Try to apply it and share your feedback into the comment box. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we are coming up with the really amazing content in the future. We have really great plans to deliver many products as a part of Agile Beyond Boundary. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for the notification whenever we upload a new video. And if you have anything to share, just send your video or contact us at agilebeyondboundary.com. Have a nice day. Take care of you and be well. Thank you very much. Signing off. This is Vijay.